morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good
Oh,
morning, ma'am.
yeah. Good morning, all of you. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. Eva, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
You did not call me. I told you, no, when there is no class time, you should call me. For some doubt or something, your mother called me and told. You did not call me on Sunday and all? Huh? Yeah, I told you to in the WhatsApp to just inform me. Then I'll call. I told you, but I didn't get any message from you. Hmm? Okay. So if you are, huh? Ah. Okay. Okay. So you can call me maybe tomorrow. If you have no class, you call me morning or something. Okay. But just to tell me in the WhatsApp message, I am Iba, because in case some case I may be in the market or something, I can inform that time. Okay. So
Okay,
just
ma'am.
to send the message. So I thought of you call me on Sunday and Saturday, but I didn't get it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, children, did we start the chapter work?
No, ma'am.
We didn't start. Okay. Did you go through the problems what I sent yesterday? In ninth, I have sent some problems for you to practice the previous chapter, some extra questions with. So those who did not copy, please copy down that and let me know in the next week when you come. If you have any problem with that, so that we can discuss. Anyone have? Have you gone through it at least?
Yes, ma'am.
I have sent the problems. I think nine questions, 9 extra questions and problems in the WhatsApp. Check your group. Yesterday I sent it.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
copy down in the ruled sheets. You already know you have a descriptive exam. So those question answers you have to study for that. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
please copy down. Don't wait to copy till the exam comes. By the time that will get deleted, and I may not have its copy also, because every time I am deleting it soon after but the notes I send, I keep for 2 days. Then I start deleting it because so many messages are coming. So your duty means within 2-3 days. I'm not telling then and there, but within 2-3 days you have to complete so that you will not have a problem in future. So write in class rule sheets. Okay. Okay, children. So we are going to start a chapter work. I think I started. Did I start?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So last class we studied about how to find out the weight of the person on the moon and all. So that by that chapter is over. Gravitation and remaining portion, I'm repeatedly saying that remaining portions you don't have to study. Upthrust buoyancy, from the exam point of view, you don't have to study. So that is why gravitation chapter finished very fast. You have only that much to study. Okay. And plus the problems and all what I send it. Okay. So children, today we are moving on to the next chapter, work and energy. Work and energy. Okay, children. Fizan, what do you mean by the term work? It's very important chapter. This chapter, continuation in 10th standard,
Working
we are
hard.
going to, work. 10th standard also there we are studying this chapter in electricity. So you have to do that. You have to study this chapter and the problems and all there in this. Okay. Tell me what do you mean by the word work? How can you
Working hard.
ah ah in your idea or in your mind? What
Doing
is
anything.
ah
I'm doing
Doing anything.
doing
making
anything or doing any action? Okay. Okay, can you give me one example of any action what you do which can be told as a work?
preparing a
Simple.
rocket.
Ah?
Preparing a rocket.
Ah.
Making
Yes. Okay. Anything else which we see in our daily life? So many things we do. At now, what are you doing now? At now?
Writing.
Writing. You are writing. Okay. Any other like that? What has happened to our real life? Rocket and all little more advanced, no? If you look at our house around, look at your mother. How many works she is doing from morning onwards. Okay. Washing, cleaning, and all that. So like that, tell me some of the example of work in your life. Yes? Eva, give me an example. Eva.
I'm cooking.
Okay. Navaneet, give me another example of a work.
Ma'am, cycling.
Cycling. Yes, cycling is a work. Okay. Anything else? Roland, give me another example. So many things we can write. Another example, please. Cycling, cleaning, okay, writing. Apart from this, another examples. Huh? You don't do any work or what, children? Huh? You don't do any work? Yeah? No one is answering. What happened? What happened to you today? Today, Monday is the first day of the week.
Ma'am, washing clothes.
Washing clothes. Very good, Rachel.
Cleaning plate.
Cleaning the plate. Okay. And Ashna, can you give me another example for the work?
I'm studying.
Studying. Okay. Yes. Ashna?
I'm teaching.
Teaching. Okay, teaching. Okay, teaching. Correct. Roshan Jain, can you give me an example of work?
An example of what? An example of
Example of?
can I say that
Any example. Example of work.
work?
Hmm.
We jog.
Jogging.
Jogging.
Jogging, all these things. Okay, children, jogging, cleaning, washing, cycling. Okay, I'm just asking into Godwin. Are you there? Can you come online? Godwin, Roland, Rachel, Rohan, Nasil, Noble, Delvin. Yes. Okay, Godwin, I'm just asking you to this question. See, cycling, running, writing, cleaning. In all the actions, which are the things is common? For all this to do action, what we should have? To do all this action, what we should have? Can you tell me the answer, Godwin? Simply don't you stop the video. Open and mouth and who is saying?
Isha.
Okay, Isha, tell me.
Energy.
Energy. Okay, I'm going back to Godwin. Godwin, your video is not working, but your audio is okay, I think so. You can give me the answer. If you don't know the answer, you say no. So, Isha said energy required for everything. It's correct. What else? What else? If you do any action, what else we require in our daily life?
Success.
Success. Okay, leave that. That philosophy, success, happiness, that's part of philosophy. We are talking about physics. Come in terms of physics. Energy, Isha said. Can you just modify little more that energy in with another term, Godwin? For jogging, cycling, what we should need instead of energy, if you want, you have to apply the energy. For apply using that energy, what should have in our body?
Nano force.
It's a force. Okay. We require a force. Correct. So in all that cycling, exercise, whatever you do, you are applying a force. Okay. And whenever you do cycling, are you remaining in one place? Are you remaining in one place?
No, ma'am.
You are, what are you doing? When you cycle, when you sweep the floor and all?
Moving.
Yes, you are moving or you are displacing yourself. When you write, your hands are moving. Okay. When you walk, your feet are moving. So all this, two common factors which is common in work is, one is how much force you apply. Another one is how much you move from one place to one place, how much you move. If you multiply these both quantities, you will get work. So a work is said to be done. A work said to be done, only two things have to happen. There should be a force applied on the object or by the object. For example, cycling. You are doing. So you are doing a work by you. So work done can be on the object or by the object. So cycling means you are the object, you are cycling. Okay. Work done on the object, something like that. You are sweeping. You are sweeping. Yes. You are applying the force on the floor. So you are doing a work on the floor. So that's the difference between work by the object, on the object. Okay. So work can be by the object, on the object. In both the cases, there should be a force applied. And second thing, there should be a displacement of the object. If you are cycling, you are displacing yourself. You are walking, you are displacing yourself. Similarly, you are sweeping the floor. So you are displacing that rubbish and everything. And you are moving to one place to place. You are sweeping different parts of the floor. Okay. So this is the condition. So what is work? A work is said to be done when a force applied, it should be act in the direction of. There should be a displacement. So this is the equation for work. So I think I have already given you notes. Okay. So even you have got the printed notes. If you, when I take the class, some points, you can write it down so that you will study also. So what is work? A work is said to be done when a force acts on an object and the object is displaced in the direction of force. So that is definition of the work. And how can we calculate the work? Work can be calculated by multiplying W is equal to F into S. It's a product of force and displacement. Okay. So what's the SI unit of force? Sorry, SI unit of work. It is Joule. The sign is Joule. Either you write Joule or you write Joule. Joule. Okay. And we also can write Fs. Work done is equal to Fs. We can also write other way equation, SI unit. What is the unit of force? Maria, what is the unit of force?
Newton.
Newton. What is the unit of displacement? Displacement, distance. What is the unit of displacement? Displacement, length, breadth. What is the unit of displacement? Fisan, what is the unit of displacement, Fisan?
Meter per second.
Meter per second is velocity, meter. Okay. Okay. So work also can be write as SI unit is Newton meter because it is a product of force and displacement. Okay. So there are two units, Newton meter and Joule. Generally we write Joule, 1 Joule of work. So 1 Joule is equal to 1 Newton meter. 1 Joule is equal to 1 Newton meter. Okay. Therefore, we can write what do you mean by 1 Joule. What do you mean by 1 Joule? You can define. That is, if F is 1 Newton and displacement is 1 meter, then the work done is 1 Newton meter or 1 Joule. If I ask you define 1 Joule of work, define 1 Joule of work. That is, 1 Joule is the amount of work done when a force of 1 Newton displaces. So if I say 1 Joule of work means you have to define in terms of the unit. That is, 1 Joule is the amount of work done when a force of 1 Newton displaces an object by 1 meter. If I said define the term work done, then you have to write this. When I said define the term work done, you have to write work is said to be done when a force acts on an object and the object is placed in the direction of force.
Ma'am,
Clear?
unit
Yes.
of joule.
Huh?
SI unit of joule. SI unit of joule.
SI unit of Joule. SI
Energy.
unit of work is Joule. Joule is a unit. Okay. SI unit of work is Joule.
Okay.
And SI unit of force is Newton. SI unit of displacement is meter. And work done already is equal to F into S. So we can write it. It is also equal to Newton meter. Okay. So 1 joule is the amount of work done when a force of 1 Newton displaces an object by 1 meter. Okay. Okay, children, just write this question, please. Under that, if a force acts by 5 Newton, if a force acts by 5 Newton and it displaces an object by 2 meter, what is the work? If a force acts by 5 Newton and it displaces an object by 2 meter, what is the work? Rohan? Nowadays, Rohan, you are not opening the mouth, not giving me answer. What happened to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Only motion chapter you had interest. Now what happened to you? You are switching off the video. All that you are doing. Before you were not doing all this.
Ma'am, 5 due to this
Ah.
force displacement.
So work is equal to Fs. F is given to you 5. 5 into 2. How much, Rohan? How much you told me? 10?
Ma'am.
What is the SI unit of work just now we have learned? 10? SI unit of work. Fisan, just now you asked me what is SI unit of work, Fisan?
Joule.
Joule. Joule. Or joule means capital. Otherwise you can write 10 Newton meter. Okay. So this is if the force is given. This Nihal, Mohammad Nihal, you are not writing, I hope so. This is a problem. Problem is not given in the notes. You have to copy. It's a problem using the work. So this is an example for how do we calculate the work. If the force acts by 5 Newton and it displaces an object by 2 meter, what is the work? So work is equal to F into S, 5 into 10, 10 joule or 10 Newton meter. Okay. Can I change, children? Did you complete writing?
Yes.
Problems, whatever we do on the board, please do it in your lecture notes, please. Okay. And whatever I am sending through the WhatsApp, that should be in your ruled sheets. That should be in the ruled sheets. Whatever I do in the class time, that problem, you can write it in the lecture notes. Okay. So in this also we have a lot of problems. So don't worry, we will learn. So this is about work. I hope we have understood what is work. So these are some examples of the work. So if you look at a plenty of work, all the work, there will be force, displacement. And you can see a mother does a lot of job in the house. If you want to look at the example, you can look at your mother who does the work. Ironing, cleaning, arranging, cooking, washing, sweeping, picking up the things. All these are works. Okay, so these are the some examples. Children are writing doctors, operation. So this is all these things. Engineering, drawing, an architect drawing the construction planning. So all these are work, there is a displacement. Okay. Now, next. So do you think every time the work is there? That is the next question. Yes. Okay, children. So you must have seen this picture. There are different pictures are there. Forget about that 90-degree theta and all. I am just asking you. Just look at these pictures. All these blue pictures. Okay. So first, I think one person, he is taking some objects. Maybe I don't know what it is. He is pulling it. And in the picture B, that man is standing. That man is standing. Similarly, in the third picture, the man is walking, but he is carrying the suitcase and walking. So in these cases, we are giving importance to the object suitcase. Okay. In the first thing, we are giving the object what he is pushing. Okay. It may be the grass cutting, something in the cartoon like that. And here it is the, you can see some steps and everything is shown. Okay, that's okay. So my question is here, go to the second picture. Go to the second picture of this man. Okay. Oh. Okay. So children, I am going to ask you to look at the second picture. Okay. A man is standing. Okay. I am asking to Isha. Isha, is the man is doing some work, Isha, by looking at this picture?
No, ma'am.
Huh? Is he doing any action?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So you can see there is an arrow mark is on the suitcase. So is he applying the force over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, he is applying the force. But you said he is not working. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So why? Because he is doing something. He is carrying or he is applying the force. He is carrying the suitcase and standing. But there is no movement from his side. So in this case, we can say work done is 0. Work done is 0. Okay, I just ask you the boys. Have you all do push-ups now at home? The boys does push-ups, no? To get the muscles and thing. Yes. Yeah. Who is doing push-ups among you? Anyone is doing push-ups at home now at present, since you have enough time to do the Yes. Tell me, where are you doing push-ups? Is it on the floor? Is it on the wall?
Floor.
Okay. Are you doing work by pushing up?
Yes, ma'am. We are giving
Yes, ma'am.
pressure on the hand.
So you are pushing on the floor. Where do you apply the force? Okay, you are doing some work. Okay, you are telling I am pushing. Okay, my question is, where do you push?
Hand.
On the floor. Okay, so where do we apply the force? On your body or on the floor?
Body.
Floor.
Ah, ah?
On the floor.
On the floor.
On the
Is
floor.
there any movement of the floor over there?
No,
No,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So
Body.
you are not doing any work. Huh? You don't agree, ma'am. I am taking 100 push-ups a day. I am sweating out. I am doing a lot of things. But you are not doing any work. Physically, you are not doing any work. Okay. Why? You are applying the force on the floor. Correct? So there is movement. There is no movement of the floor. What's the point of you? You can continuously applying the force, but there is no movement of the floor. So you cannot say you are doing the work. Yes, you are applying the force. You are doing one action, but no displacement. Okay, so that is the example of zero work done, no work done. Similarly, you push a wall. Yes, you are applying the force on the wall, but is the wall is moving? No. So if you want to say work is said to be done, there should be displacement also. Otherwise, displacement may be any side, opposite side or anything. So that is why the first picture, what you see, there is no work done. That means work done can be changed depending upon the motion or depending upon the displacement. So let us go to easy, no, little bit. Yes. Okay. Yes. My question to Lena. Give me, Lena, what is your idea about that picture? A person carrying the suitcase and walking.
He's moving.
He is moving, but my question is the work is done or not?
Mm, No, ma'am.
Work is not done. Why did you say work is not done?
Because he's carrying the
Suitcase.
suitcase.
It is not carrying the suitcase. You have to look at the picture. The force direction is how? Okay. Suppose F is this way. If the arrow of the force is given in the direction of the person, then we can say he is doing the work. Correct? But in the picture, what is happened? The arrow is given to the suitcase and walking is given to that. So it is at a 90 degree actually. Okay. So in this case, what is happening? The force applying in one direction, but the displacement is showed in another direction. So that is why we are saying it is no work done. So when you go to 10th standard, you will be studying trigonometric ratios, sine theta, cos theta. Okay. So actually, cos theta means it is the, I think Pythagoras theory you must have studied. Cos theta means it is the adjacent side by hypotenuse or longest in a triangle. So in this case, how do we say the work is done? When you draw this arrow of the force and when you join the arrow of the displacement, you are getting a perpendicular. Force and the displacement is perpendicular and it is making an angle theta. Okay. Therefore, in this case, our equation is going to be, since there is an angle is given, the equation what we are going to learn in this case is Fs cos theta. So you can write it down now. If the force and displacement, this is a some different. It is not always, in some cases. If force and displacement, if the force and displacement making an angle, if the force and displacement making an angle, then work done will be, W is equal to Fs cos theta. Work done will be Fs cos theta.
Definition only.
Huh? Yes?
And now say that definition only now.
So write it down.
And can I say one? Can I say one?
If force and displacement are making an angle,
And if force act,
force and displacement making an angle, then work done will be Fs cos theta. So I am not giving you how the cos theta and all, because it's a part of max. So if I tell also, a lot of things I have to teach you. Regarding max, we have to teach you. So at present, you only learn the equation. Okay, if I'm making an angle theta, W is equal to work done can be calculated F into S cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse of a triangle, right angle triangle. It is the adjacent side, that is mathematical, you can write down. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Where cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Then below that you write, at this case cos theta is equal to, so only you learned this. At this case, cos theta is equal to cos 90, and cos 90 degrees value is 0. Cos theta is equal to cos 90 degree, and that is equal to 0. So cos theta became 0. So gradually what you will get? Fs cos theta is going to be 0. So that is how we say that no work is done in this case of the person. Why? Because force and displacement are acting at 90 degree perpendicular to each other. Okay, it's a mathematical implication we are giving to this. So there are two cases work done can be 0. One is 0 work done. Another one is if force and displacement are perpendicular to each other or angle is 90 degree. So by this we are going back to types of work. So because of this, we can have, yes, someone is calling me. Yes. So by this we can come to types of work done. Next heading, types of work done. First one is work done may be positive or negative and 0. So what do you mean by work done? Work can be positive, negative or 0. Okay. Yes. So work done can be positive, negative or 0. First you write 0 work done. What is zero work done? Just now we explained. So first type is zero work done. First is zero work done. So positive and negative we will learn next class. So what we learned just now, zero work done. So you have to write these 3 lines. Work done by a force is 0 if there is no displacement. So there are 2 cases. Number 1, the work done by a force is 0 if there is no displacement. So number 1, no work done or 0 work done. Work done by a force is 0, there is no displacement. Second point, work done by a force is 0 if a force is perpendicular to the displacement. The force is perpendicular to the displacement. Okay. So that is 0 work done. Example you can write. A person, example you can write. Example of 0 work done. Number 1, a person carrying a luggage, suitcase, you can just write instead of luggage, carrying a suitcase and standing. So no work is done. Yes, of course, he supplied the force because he is carrying. Second example, planets. Planets revolve around the sun. Planets revolve around the sun. So that is a no work done example. Why? You already know planets means sun is here and everywhere planet, if you draw the line, everywhere it will be perpendicular. The sun and the planets will be perpendicular because the force which is acting here is gravitational force. So that is always acting towards the center. So here force and displacement is perpendicular in this case. So that is why planets revolve around the sun. Planets revolve around the sun is an example of 0 work done or no work done. Okay. Okay, children. So we completed now. Remaining positive and negative work done we will learn in the class. Okay. Can you tell me, Raya, what do you mean by work done before winding up? What do you mean by work done, Raya? What we learned? Tell me first. What is work done?
If
Yes.
the force and displacement are making an angle, then work done.
That is
Then it's-
type of, no, my question is work done, work done. What is work? Not 0 work. What is work? The first definition. Work is said to be done.
Work is said to be done when a force acts on an object and the object is displayed in the direction.
Yes, correct, correct. Okay, correct. Okay. Yeah, Noble, what is the equation for work done? Work done, W is equal to what, Noble? Your audio, W is equal to what? Are you saying? Because I can't listen. Work W is equal to what is the equation to find the work done? Just now we have done one problem. What is that? W is equal to?
Work.
F into
yes,
S.
F into S. Correct. F into S. But when there is a force and displacement is perpendicular, what is the equation, children? When the force and displacement is perpendicular, what is the equation of the work done?
F into S into
Fs cross. Okay. Okay, children, I think today I have seen so many students. Very good. Okay, so every day you come on the class like that. Okay. And also answer it. I can see so many students, those who are absent is come to the class today. So very good, children. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice
Thank
lunch.
you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.